Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. So, you tried the toothpaste hack from part 1, and yes, it probably got your car through its MOT, right? It's a great little trick for a quick fix. But, if you're like me and you're after that deep, factory fresh clarity, that brand new look that actually lasts, then you need to step up your game. Today, I'm going to walk you through the professional grade wet sanding method. Don't worry, it's way easier than it sounds, and the best part, the materials will cost you less than a tenner. This is how the pros get that perfect finish, and now, you will too. So, let's talk about what we're actually doing here. We're not just rubbing the surface, we're properly refining it. Think of it like polishing a gemstone. We're going to start with a 1500 grit sandpaper and then move up to a superfine 3000 grit. The key to this entire process is water, and lots of it. Keep a spray bottle handy and make sure the surface of the headlight and the sandpaper are always wet. As you start sanding, you'll see the water turn milky. That's not dirt. That's the old, oxidized, yellowed layer of plastic coming off. That milky water is the magic happening right before your eyes. It means you're removing the damage and getting down to the fresh, clear plastic underneath. It's incredibly satisfying to see. Now for the technique, which is just as important as the materials. You want to use steady, consistent strokes, all in one direction. I prefer going horizontally, side to side. Don't press too hard, let the sandpaper do the work. The goal is to create a uniform, hazy finish with the first grit. There's no need to rush this part. Take your time, keep it wet, and focus on being methodical. This is an educational deep dive, not a 5-minute hack. We're aiming for perfection here. When you move to the 3000 grit paper, you can switch your sanding direction to vertical, up and down. This helps remove the finer scratches from the previous step. It's this cross-hatching pattern that gives you that flawless base. And hey, if you're finding this deep dive helpful and it's clearing things up for you, do me a huge favor. Tell a friend who loves their car about these videos and hit that subscribe button. It really helps the channel grow and lets me create more content just like this for you. Alright, let's have a look at the result. Just check that out. We've gone from cloudy, yellow, and hazy to absolutely crystal clear. The difference is night and day. It looks like a brand new headlight straight from the factory. But we're not quite done yet. This amazing clarity needs to be protected. If we leave it like this, it will eventually turn yellow again. So, in part 3, the final step, I'm going to show you exactly how to apply a protective sealant to lock in this clarity and make sure it never goes yellow again. You won't want to miss that one. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.